Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Free Hacking Tutorials. So in this video I'll be going to show you how to create your own icons for folder in Windows computer. So let's begin the tutorial. So first of all, you need to have a Photoshop installed in your computer, and second one is to download icons plugin for Photoshop. To download the icons plugin, you need to go to this website. I have also given the download link in the video description. You can find the download link in the video description. Now you need to click on this link, download the latest version. Now from here you download according to your Windows bit. After you have downloaded the required file, then go to the downloaded file and double click to open. Now right click on the shortcut icons of Photoshop and click on properties. Now go to open file location. Now you need to go to this folder, and into this folder now copy this file into this Photoshop folder by drag and drop into Photoshop folder. Now close it. Now open the Photoshop. Now from the file menu, click create a new documents, and here make the height and width to pixel format, and here type the resolution to 256 into 256. Now you can design your own icon into this workspace, or you can use any picture to create an icon. To do that, open the picture you like to create an icon. Now click on save as, and now select the folder or location where you want to save your icons file, and give your file name. And in the save as type option, select icon ICO Windows icon. Select this one. Now let's apply it to our folder. So this is the folder icon I have just now created. So let's now apply it to this folder. As you can see here, I have sent my picture into an icon. So in this way, you can easily create your own icon files in Photoshop. So if you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching my video.